Oh, truck's not happy. She is gelling up on us. That's why we're at AutoZone. Let's go get some diesel 911 and get in this thing. Well, I did see 12 below zero this morning, so I'm not surprised. It was fine this morning, but then sat outside for a couple hours. I didn't drive it today, and so what we get. So was losing power, losing fuel pressure coming up the mountain, and knew exactly what it was. So found the nearest AutoZone, put some 911 in it. Now we're gonna drive a little bit and see what happens.